Them we are
Construction vehicle.
yeah, the construction vehicle them. Yeah. Got the building top there full of ice. Wow. Oh, we can look. The pan ice up. What's that? The pan no ice up. Pan no ice up at all. And nice though that the road clear. There was a big accident further down on the Rocky Run Road. People out to play. Watch ya. Somebody did that throw and fling sitting. I see them fling the snow. Somebody throw and hit the vehicle.
Just pass.
Maybe.
Fling.
It looks so. Looks so. All the action was yesterday. All me know so them a holiday for them though. Today is one of the biggest celebration, biggest holiday. To see snowfall in Jacksonville. This is not something they're accustomed to. The pond though is not frozen. Oh, so okay. So it wouldn't be cold.
Well, would have been frozen 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
They digits.
Right.
Digits.
Wow. Look. I don't see any ducks though. Or is it swan? What do you call them? The ones that leave from Canada that come over here when it's winter time.
Swan.
Yeah. Is it swan or ducks?
They leave from Canada.
Yeah. And come to the US. Anytime it's winter time you see them come. Come over.
That's frozen.
Yeah, that one frozen. Oh yes, you can see the ice on the top. It's frozen. Wow. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So guys, today we are touring the after effect of a snowstorm here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. So my husband is driving because he's a pro. He's a professional driver in the snow, guys. He's a New Yorker. So he's driving. So we are seeing what's going on out here. It's our first time getting out of the house. So let's take a tour and see what's going on here in Jacksonville. All right, Daddy?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. That is cute. They put there's something with Jesus and all that. And Mary, holy. Is it angels? What is it? In the yard, and then they put the light in. That's really cute. That's like really Christmas, not true? Like real Christmas, winter Christmas. That's really nice. Huh? You never been on this? Yeah, over here is really big, like massive.
There was one, look at that end.
No, and this neighborhood go all the way back further down, like you're going towards TJ school. To go that way. Yeah, I can exit you.
I think one of them something I probably.
You hear that? That's the ice. You gotta turn around here. This don't go no further. I think this is a dead end.
Is it a U-turn?
I don't remember if it's a U-turn, but I know it's a dead end down there. You don't go no further. You don't go far. But the other road that we turn off from down there, that we're coming from, that long stretch of road, it brings you all the way back around to some community around there. So the ice is melting. Down there kind of look rough, Daddy. It's a U-turn. Looks like a U-turn. OMG, look over there, over that area. Way behind these houses over there is a lot of snow, like this big empty land. And it's a lot of snow. Ooh.
Nice driveway.
Some nice houses around this area. Neighborhood is called what? Brooksdale?
Sure.
I think when we enter we saw Brooksdale.
Nobody lucky.
Nobody not coming out. It's winter, Christmas, winter, Christmas. Real winter season. This is really nice though that, you know, everybody could get the feelings of snow. What real snow is. They put up the Christmas light. See? Put up their pretty lights. This is nice. You see how the ground is just so pretty and look pure? Wow, it's like nothing to clean. Everything is just so clean and pure and pretty. Wow. That's what I love. Like when everything is just pure and clean. See, they have it. Yeah, it's so pretty. It looks really cute with all that snow around it. This would have been pretty like in the Christmas, like real Christmas, right?
Yeah,
This
that's what I put it up for. Then take it on it. People still have a Christmas light on.
You don't think it's because the winter snow they just plug it in? I think it's because of that. They just take it out and say, let's enjoy some snow.
People still have decoration. They don't celebrate Christmas until in January.
Yeah. If you go straight out, it can't carry you back to the...
Straight out, go across the road.
There's some nice houses over here. But I think this is the older neighborhood to the one that we are at.
Yeah, this is all.
Yeah.
They have a big house so then get 100 and
100,000, right? You pay them off long time, you know? You have to have money a long time. That they panda freeze too. Frozen. It's all frozen, guys. Wow. Then this is Town Point. It's still kind of rough with the snow. So I wonder if it's salt the road, or is just by driving it just, and then the sun came out and kind of melted off, because this don't look like it's salt.
Because it's asphalt. The sun came out
and melted out a little bit.
Tar on it.
I think they should salt the road though, because that would help it to melt faster. So we're in the Town Point area, guys, and this is what it's looking like right now. That's a pool over there. Where they might do donuts?
They might circle.
Oh, they might drive. Okay. They might drive through it. Wow, it's so pretty. Look over there. On that side. So pretty. I just really love snow. Like, if I live in a state and it's not snowing, I'm not happy. Because I love to see. That's why I used to love New Jersey so much. Like, you ask me why I love New Jersey? That is why. I love to see the snow. I always look every year to see the snow. I saw my child fast and I put it road. Oh, goodness. Man. Round this up must say nice. Plus, no, all them new houses that went are done built up. Oh, them must nice. Everybody out, man, and enjoy snow. Yeah.
Never tell say I thought it was deep.
Deep, right? Right, this I have a little hill. Look like I wear them big the dirt. Wow. This is beautiful. It's getting to night now. It's pretty. So guys, so far, tell me what you think about this video. Tell us what you would like us to show you next time in our other video. And also, do you get snow in your state? Tell me what it's like there. Because for this snow, we weren't prepared at all. We are not prepared for snow.
And if it's your first time getting snow, we would like to know what it's like.
Yeah.
What was the experience in your state?
Yeah, right? Let us know that, guys. What was your experience like? Are we going this up? You know, say when the snow fall, you feel like you're just hungry and lazy. Like you just don't want to do anything. Don't you feel that way?
I live in that state, so no. So no state.
I will have to get a stay-at-home work. I stay home and work.
Take you out. Stay-at-home work.
Stay-at-home job. Around this area is a little, they don't have street, what do you call it? Oh, look at the snowman, Daddy. They make a perfect snowman. Wow, he's cute. That's a perfect snowman. That's a nice snowman, guys. Wow.
So these first houses not a desire.
Yeah, but they're nice. These are new houses, guys. Brand new houses here. These houses are so nice. They are really nice. But these down here now, over this side, they are really beautiful. I don't think this is gonna fall. I think I gotta turn around now.
So there.
Down this is a cul-de-sac. So all of them have like the brick looking, like the brick in the front, which is really nice. Even that one. Wow, they are nice. This what them say, this one for sale. For sale. I don't know if this one sell yet. Like in there. This house is nice. I love this one too. Very nice. You hear the snow? Papa said poop like that. Oh man, it sound like there's something lick the vehicle. I like that something with them shed when them have around the house back there, so look nice.
Right, them pull them.
Yeah, they pull them, yeah.
This original, them one the bottom.
They're nice. The white house is so nice too. So these one don't have the brick. Maybe a different builder. Really nice, man. Nice house them. Ice is melting from the middle of the road, which is really good. At least people can get to drive. I was scared to get out this morning to go to work, but luckily though I'm not working today. I couldn't go yesterday because the street was so bad. Goodness. You know, it's a lot of snowfall yesterday though. There's a whole lot of snow. I like in the yard, in front of my yard was like about 8 inches of snow or more, 8 to 10 inches of snow. It was a whole lot. We got mailbox? Or we not got mailbox?
You want it?
They put 1 hour something on them. I do the check-in for like hour and a half maybe. Hour and a half. You expect nothing to come there for the mail? Can just check it. We didn't check it for like what, a week? Box go out. Mailbox can go. Go there. Mailbox look icy. Mailbox is. We're in the winterland, guys. We are all warm and snuggled right now. Did you ever believe that you would get snow, Daddy, here?
Yeah. Well, not that this much. I thought it was snow and then
Stop.
Snow for like 2-3 hours and
yeah.
stop. I expect snow over there on the ground so thick. I expect say alright, maybe 1-2 inches of snow and the rain come and they wash away and then sun out again. But I expect this full blown snow like
Like
New
real,
York.
like New York and Canada. Oh my goodness. Well, you see, it's a wake-up call. We gotta prepare for everything. Gotta be prepared. Remember the time we were in New Jersey and the snow come all cover the whole of the door, all the way up top. Couldn't come out of the house or anything. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the mailbox and get our mail and then head out again. I mean, I think got suppose me slide and pop my kin. Alright guys. Okay guys, I'm heading out. Got on boots. So, it's muddy and slippery. Taking my time to walk on these ice, guys. I don't want to slip and break a bone. Alright, so you know guys, it's not so cold. Like, it's really not cold when it snows. But trust me, next week now, that's when we're gonna be feeling the cold real hard. Alright, so got my mail. Got mail, so we going back on the road. It's cold. But it really not so cold. It feel like it's 30 something degree. 30 how much degree, Daddy? 35? 35 degree feel like 50 degree. That's what it feel like to me. Feels like about 50 degrees.
I feel like if you want a big jacket.
Oh, so baby, because I have on the thick jacket, why I feel like that? Alright guys. It's dark in the car. However, when I turn my camera this way, front, it's way brighter. So you get better footage from the back camera than the front camera.